In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check PayPal subscriptions. Keeping a close eye on your recurring payments is essential for managing your finances effectively and avoiding any unexpected charges. Whether you want to cancel a service or simply review your active subscriptions, PayPal provides a straightforward way to do so. Let's walk through the process together. To begin, ensure you are successfully logged into your PayPal account. Once you're in, look to the top right corner of your dashboard. You'll find the Settings icon there, which typically looks like a gear or cogwheel. This icon is your central access point for managing all your account preferences, personal information, and various financial tools. Clicking it will open a menu for account management options. After clicking Settings, you'll see various options on the next screen. For finding subscriptions, you need to locate and click on Seller Tools. It's worth noting that even if you don't sell anything, many critical financial management features are grouped under this section by PayPal, including those related to automatic payments and your subscriptions. Consider it a comprehensive area for managing your account's financial interactions. Within Seller Tools, you'll find different functionalities. Your next step is to click on the option labeled Automatic Payments. This is a crucial link because all your authorized recurring charges or ongoing services from merchants, streaming platforms, or software providers via PayPal are categorized here. Selecting this link will take you to a dedicated page where you can oversee these current and past financial commitments. Finally, once on the Automatic Payments page, you'll find a clear option or tab labeled Subscriptions. Click on this. This action will display a detailed list of all your active subscriptions managed through PayPal. For each entry, you can typically view the merchant's name, the status, the payment amount, and its renewal date. Importantly, from this page, you'll have the ability to manage individual subscriptions, giving you options to update payment methods or cancel any services you no longer wish to continue.